Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to create ribbon chart in Power BI. So for this, we will go in Power BI. Whenever we want to create a new chart, it is necessary that we click on the white portion of the canvas. So the charts which we have created in the previous video, you can see on page 1, page 2. I want to create one more chart. Click on the white part. Activate the ribbon chart. So first of all, we will select x-axis. So we'll drop in x-axis order date, y-axis sales, legend. Let's select the category. Activate the focus mode. Now we want to format it. So format your visual. We have to do two settings, visual settings as well as the general settings. Click on x-axis. We can increase or decrease the value from here of the fonts. We can change the color of the fonts. We can change the type of the font. Now, if I want to give the title, so I'll activate the title and I'll write down ribbon chart. We can change the color, the type of the font, the size of the font from here. Activate the legend. So the legends are on top left. Let's take it on top right. Text. The color of this legend can be changed. Size can be changed. Type of the font can be changed. Title. It is written category. We want to convert it into category wise. So it is category wise. At any moment of time, if you feel that you want to reset to the default settings, just press it, reset to default. Now you activate the zoom slider. But before activating the zoom slider, let's try to understand this ribbon chart. If I click on furniture, just a minute. Now if I click on any category, let's say furniture. So it will show the ribbons only of the furniture, office supplies, technology. Now what it displays that on the particular day, this particular day, the technology sales were maximum. Office supplies, so it will display the days on which the office supplies was maximum. Similarly, the furniture. Now, if I activate the zoom slider, so it will do the filtering. See this. So it will give me the days directly on which the technology uh, sales were maximum. So it's filtering the data. Activate the ribbons. You can change the color of these ribbons. Reverse the stack order. Do you require the connected color? Yes or no? If you off it, you will get the vertical bars. The color transparency. You can increase or decrease the color transparency. Do I require the border? So the border will appear. See, the borders have appeared. Spacing. If I increase this, the spacing between the ribbons will increase, or you can decrease it. At any moment of time, you can press this and reset to the default settings. Now, data label will not appear here because too many values are there. Plot the area background. So let's browse, select the image, open, done. Increase the transparency. So it looks quite good. Now click on General Settings. Activate the properties. Click on Back to Report. Now by increasing this value, the height of the chart will increase. The width of the chart will increase. By changing the position, the chart will shift on right hand side. Here, the chart will shift towards the bottom. Activate the padding. Now in this case, the inner part of the chart will shift on left hand side, right hand side, top or bottom. Let's see. If I increase this, see. If I increase this, it will shift on left hand side. Here, it will shift towards the bottom and this will shift towards the top. Advanced options, make sure responsive is on. Title, you want to have any title. So it's written sum of sales by order date. Let's remove sum off and keep sales by order date and category. We can change the color of this title. We can decrease its font size, bring it in the center. The text color is black. Let's select and make it dark blue. Done. Bold. Do we require subtitles? If yes, activate on it and you can write down the subtitles. Divider. That is, do you want to divide the title by a line? That is, you require a line between the title and the chart. If yes, activate it. So a line has appeared. You can increase or decrease the width of it. Moreover, the style can also be changed. It is dashed, solid, or dotted. Let's activate dashed. See this, it's dashed line. Color of the line, you can keep it black color, that's fine. Its width can also be changed. Spacing. So if you decrease this, if you increase this number, the spacing between the title and the chart will increase. See. Effects. Background. Let's take a light background. Done. Increase the spacing. Visual borders. On. So it's the outer border. You can select the color from here, the outer border. Do we require the rounded corners? Now what is this rounded corner? See, at present is square corners. Again, select on it. Go in format. General. Effects. Visual border. And round it. So your border so your borders are having a round shape. Again, activate this. General. Effects. Shadow. Do we require shadow? On it. Which color shadow you want? Black color, outside or inside? So let's say it's outside and this time we want on bottom left. So the shadow is on bottom left. Header icons. So it's related to this filters, focus mode and more options. So you can change the color of these icons. You can give the border to it and you can change the color of it. I don't think it's necessary and therefore press reset to default. Make sure icons, in icons, all of them are on. Tooltips is on. Background. Select the light background. Of tooltips, it should be the light background. Okay, activate the focus mode. And see your chart is ready. So if you want to expand or collapse the categories, click on these three dots, expand all the categories. So all these categories will expand. Click on it, collapse all categories, and it will collapse. So this was all about ribbon chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.